My name is Loris, and I am showing you how to use my learning.
Welcome to
So
AISJ.
obviously, I'll put the link on at the end of the video. So the first thing you got to do is go to sign in, and I understand that you're new to AISJ, but you do not need to write anything here or create anything. Just go and sign in with your Google. Sign in with Google. Once you sign in with Google, they will ask you which account to use. So you must make sure that it is your AISJ account, AISJ Johannesburg. Otherwise, if you use something else, it won't work. So yeah, here I'm just gonna click on the AISJ, and once you log in, here they are. Now on this, we have on the left corner, we have different portfolios or with different contents, and the first one is the student dashboard, which gives basically your profile, your school profile about you. And then you have your career, you have like stuff that you have to upload, extracurricular awards, etc. And then you go to explore. I'm just gonna go through this like very quick. So work values, so interest profiler, it's what you're interested mostly in. So this explore tab is mostly for people to know about yourself mostly. If you don't know anything about yourself, just know about something about yourself. So this tab basically has quizzes asking you what are your interests, what are your work values, what are your personality, etc., your intelligence, etc. And then your career plan is basically just your career, obviously. So if you like something, you just have to click on it if you on the part, and you can delete it as well. So I'm just not gonna delete this. And if I uncheck this box, it's gonna give me this little message saying that I plan removed successfully. But then if I want to put it back, I can just go and look for it, etc. And then you have your college plan, college search, etc. So this is mostly for 11 and 12th graders, but you can also use it if you're 10th grade, obviously. Just search up some of the colleges, so you can just go to the United States and then just search up like Northwestern University. And then once you get there, oh my god, my bad. Yeah, when you go to the United States, you can just go like, Harvard. State Harvard. Actually, it's from Harvard. It's from Harvard University. It's the fanciest university. And yeah, here's it. So they just give you the acceptance rate, the city, the university name, obviously. And yeah, these are like the parts, what different. It's basically an overall. It's an explanation of what the school is about, how's the school. Yeah, and so if you're interested into a scholarship, you can go and talk to a counselor as well. Portfolios, these are mostly your goals. What are you trying to achieve as a student in AISJ, etc. Your notes, so these are what your counselors share with you, like comments, etc. Your My Drive, so this is where all your documents that you've uploaded on this website are, and then the resources, different resources here. So hopefully I helped you. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again.